Deep learning is a powerful subset of artificial intelligence that mimics the way the human brain works. As a concept, it's taken the world of technology by storm, shaping innovations and creating an entirely new perspective on the potential of machines. The principle of deep learning is grounded in the functionality of the human brain, creating models known as neural networks that can understand and interpret patterns in order to effectively simulate human intelligence. Neural networks are to deep learning what the brain is to humans. They are complex systems composed of multiple layers of artificial neurons or nodes. These nodes are interconnected through a series of mathematical operations and are responsible for the system's ability to understand data, make sense of patterns, and generate outcomes based on identified relationships. It's this multi-layered structure that separates deep learning from other forms of machine learning, giving it the capability to process vast amounts of information and learn from it. A striking feature of deep learning is its ability to learn from unstructured or unlabeled data, making it incredibly versatile. It can digest and interpret images, sounds, and text, thus enabling machines to perform tasks that require higher intellectual capabilities. This is a huge leap from traditional programming methods where machines were only able to execute tasks based on specific instructions provided by humans. The application of deep learning is extensive and is seen revolutionizing a wide variety of industries. In healthcare, deep learning models are being used to detect diseases earlier and more accurately. They are helping doctors analyze patient data to provide personalized treatment plans. In finance, deep learning algorithms are predicting market trends and managing investments, creating a new era of automated trading. In the transportation sector, self-driving cars are no longer a concept of the future but a reality, thanks to deep learning. The potential offered by deep learning is vast and seemingly limitless. With an increasing amount of data and computing power, it is unlocking new possibilities for machines to learn, reason, and adapt in ways that were once thought to be exclusive to human intelligence. The field of deep learning is growing rapidly, and the demand for professionals with deep learning expertise is on the rise. Now is the perfect time to jumpstart future in this exciting field. By enrolling in the Deep Learning course at CAD Nest, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of this revolutionary technology, empowering you to harness its potential. Whether you want to drive innovation in an industry, embark on a research journey, or simply deepen your knowledge in a cutting-edge field, this course is your gateway. Enroll now for the Deep Learning course at CAD Nest and unlock the potential of this cutting-edge technology.